Renwick, AM 1230, WJOB, and WJOB1230.com, Region Bass Buzz. Out here with my good buddy. You know this guy.
Conservation Mike.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Hey, we're out here for the 4th event, Wolf Lake Angler's Dream Fishing the Dream Tournament. See, we got some competitors out here behind us. I see these guys. It's a tough day, man. Wind-swept Wolf Lake is a tough bite today. But these guys are persevering, you know. That's what tournament fishing's all about, Mike.
That's what you have to do.
I mean, you got to stick out there, persevere and grind, right? It's called the old P&G.
P&G?
TM. Trademark that, please. TM, the old P&G. Persevere and grind right here on Wolf Lake. Hey, if you look here, Mike, I know that you and I have driven through this place, and we've been quite impressed on what the Hammond Port Authority and the city of Hammond have done for this place.
Oh, man, it's beautiful.
I mean, this park has just shaped up 500% in the last couple of years. Now, sometimes people didn't want to come here. Now it's a pleasure to come here.
Well, when it was crappy, they used to charge to launch here. Now it's nice and it's free.
Isn't that something? That's right. Good point. Everybody launches for free at Wolf Lake. You got the pavilion. You got the splash pad. You got the beach. You can rent kayaks.
The windsurfers out here.
You can rent kayaks, windsurfers. They got those paragliders.
Them guys. There's one.
Paragliders everywhere, and bass fishermen, and recreational fishermen. Guys on the dock catching 4-pound walleye, 3-pound bass. Not a bad deal here. World-class fishing, Hammond, Indiana, and Wolf Lake. Right. Pat Renwick, AM 1230, WJOB, and WJOB1230.com, and
the RegionBassBuzz.com.
And who are you?
I'm Conservation Mike.
And we're out of here. We'll catch you at the weigh-in.
And now, the amazing Pat Renwick.
Kyle and Lou, a bag of fish, great big bag of fish.
What was the big fish weigh?
He's bouncing. Look at that. Wow. Kyle and Eric. It's like they got a full bag of fish. Weighing big bass. $392. Whoop. $388. Call it. Good. $388. Big bass. That's a 4. I'd call that a 4, man. If I caught that, that'd be a 4. Nice job, guys. 5 fish, 5 alive. Kyle and Lou. That's a nice bag of fish, gentlemen. Happy birthday to Kyle's kid today. What's your kid's name, Kyle? Braden and Skylar. One day apart. Happy birthday, kids. Bouncing it around. Jeez. 58 mark. 12:58. Kyle and Lou.
Next we got boat 11 with Andy and Clint.
How many you got, guys? Good job, Kyle and Lou. 5 fish. 5 alive. No big bass away. Nice solid limit of fish. All quality, Wolf Lake, solid keepers. Hammond Port Authority, the city of Hammond have done a fine job with this lake and turning it around. It's become a world-class fishery right here in Hammond, Indiana. 5 fish, 5 alive. What do we got? These are some lively ones here, isn't it? 9.1. 9.11, Mark. 9.11. Good job, guys. Easy in icebox, boat number 8. Here comes trouble. Old split britches himself.
Yeah, at least he's wearing nicer pants today.
Come on up here, guys. How was it out there today, icebox?
Pretty good day.
You got 5? 5 fish, 5 alive. What's that? Frankenstein. Weighing the big bass for Team Icebox and Easy. 2.72. Mark. 5 fish, 5 alive. Quality Wolf Lake fish. All nice bites, guys. Good bag of fish. And a Wally Diver. 11-12. What do you think?
It's a good day. It's a great day.
It's come around, right? On fire. How many you got, guys? 5. Proud 5. I heard you guys were on them. How was it out there today, Lynx?
It's pretty good. Consistent bites all day.
All day. What's going on there, little Steve? You got some choo-choos in there? Look at that. You make that fish look small, though, dude. That's no good. That is a nice one. He was on it. Ooh. .304, marked. Prize of the century. He's got the 3-pounder. And 4 more, 5 alive. That'll be in the bloopers and outtake reel. Let's go. 5 fish, 5 alive. Little Steven, Linky. 2.45 mark. 10.45. 10.45. Good job out there, guys.
We
Limits
got
of
team
fish.
Team N squared in boat number 10.
And
Nick and Nick.
Holy cow. What's going on, guys? I'm digging these tourney jerseys right here. That's all right. Team Region Redneck, right? That's all right. How many you got? 4 fish. 4 alive. .226. And keep the water in the bag. There you go. Just grab you the fish. How's that? Got him? Scoop them on up. That's a lively one. You sure you don't got another one hiding in there? Make 5? Is one going to grow real quick? Team Region. 4 fish, 4 alive, bouncing around like crazy. 6.53, mark it. 6.53, 4 fish. Nice job out there, guys.
Davidson Alexander.
Alexander. Fierce stick on Wolf Lake. Bob Alexander. What's going on, guys? How'd you do out there today? Pretty good? What are you thinking of Wolf Lake? Don't empty the water. There you go.
Don't empty the water. We need the water.
Well, first names.
Uh-oh. When he says he's got to find the big one. Ooh, look at that. That one's got a cinch gut right there. Something took a bite out of that, Mitch. That fish lost like 3 pounds. All right, put it in there. That's it. Old notch belly. Okay, move over to this side right there. Thank you. Perfect. 277, mark it, big bass. Five fish, 5 alive. 12.26, mark. Team Alexander. Nice job, guys.
Next, Pat, we got Tom and Dave in boat number 9.
Tom and Dave in boat number 9. Come on up, kids. How'd you do out there today?
We got 5.
You got 5. 5 dinks, but it's 5, right? That's the magic number out here. Doesn't matter. You need a big Godzilla in the mix, don't you? You need a Wolf Lake ditch stomper. Yeah, that's getting crazy in there. That's a nice fat fish. These Wolf Lake fish got some shoulders on them, man. Is that a walleye? That's it right there, weighing big bass. 2 point, what? Holy. He's looking for the bonus again. Bonus handicap pound. 2.91. 2.91, mark big bass.
You guys get them all day? Huh? All day? Yeah. Good job.
Just couldn't change them though.
5 fish, 5 alive. You call it, Mitch. 1080, 1089 marked. 5 fish. Is that what you guys guessed? You're right about 11 pounds.
Next we got Grant and Joe in boat number 2.
Grant and Joe, come on up, guys. Boat number 2. He looks like you get to go to Hollywood then. How many fish you got? 5 fish, 5 alive. You got any big ones in there? Nah? He's ready to just weigh them. He wants to get out of here. Come on. He's got barbecue to go to. Get this going. He's got a. So I had the bar part, right? Not the barbecue. 5 fish, 5 alive. Every fish out of Wolf Lake has been healthy. Shoulders, they've been working out down the street. They know which way the weight room is. 9 point. Bouncers. I'm giving them 3.33. 9.33. 9.33.
Next we got Ben and Terry in boat number 1.
Hollywood, Benvania. Terry Lessick. Here they come. How many fish you got, guys? 5 fish, 5 alive. What's the story, Ben?
It was tough out there.
Tough bite. No biggins. Zeroing it out. Five fish, 5 alive. Terry Lessick, Bassmaster Ben. They're rocking it. Veterans on the Wolf Lake. Lessick, you've been out here a few times, right?
Oh, yeah.
Just a couple, right? 5 fish, 5 alive. 8 point.
3-1.
3-1, Mark. 8.31. Nice job, guys. Again, it's taking that big kick.
Boat number 4 with Chris and Vince.
The Cesars. Come on up. What's going on, man? We've been watching you guys. How many you got there? They got 5. You pulled it off. See, we're good luck. No biggins, but they got 5. Throwing them in there. Isn't it amazing how healthy all these Wolf Lake fish are, man? They pull like little mini mules, too, right? Five fish. 5 alive. Ooh. 8:36 marked. Good job, guys. Close, tight race. They were hiding up here all day. They were hanging out by the Bass Buzz. We were throwing them good mojo over there. They only had 2 fish when we saw them.
Shut up.
Mike, I talk a lot.
No kidding.
Send them on up. Oh, these guys.
Boat number 7, Nate
Look
and
at
Trevor.
that. Nate, would you get those on Gilligan Island, those pants? What the heck? Nice. What's up, Trev? How you feeling? You got this in the bag? Ooh, that's a chunky one, though. Come on over here, Nate. Take a look at those guys. Look at those characters. $278, big bass. Yeah. Nice, man. You are getting messed up here. You were trying hard, weren't you? It'd have been a different story. 6 fish. 5 fish, 5 alive. It's testing you. 9.53, that's Mark. Phelps and Jablonski, 9.53. What's the weight to beat right now? 12.58? 12.58.
Now we got Bob in Dallas,
Bob and Dallas, come on
boat
up.
number 6.
These guys had a rough day today. At least you kept the trolling motor. And they still managed to catch a few fish here. They came into the dock early and I thought, or won. But that's all that matters. You didn't get the goose egg, man. You were against all odds. You came out here and defeated Wolf Lake because you did not get the donut. Come on, Bob.
Thing is, I had fish, but I just couldn't get them hooked.
Had the bites. That's the story. Got to put them in the boat. Got to execute.